performance contract. 2 mark. White heavy check mark 1. Meaning of performance, 2 marks. Performance of contract means fulfilling the obligations agreed upon by the parties according to the terms of the contract. It may be done by actual performance, fully completed, or attempted performance, offered to perform. Performance discharges the parties from further liability. Example, a delivers goods to B&B base. Contract is performed. White heavy check mark 2. Offer to perform tender, 2 marks. Offer to perform is when the promisor offers to do the obligation under the contract but the promisee refuses to accept. A valid tender is unconditional, proper, and at the right time place. If the offer is validly made, the promisor is not responsible for non-performance. Example, A offers goods to be on due date, B refuses, A is discharged. White heavy check mark 3. Devolution of joint liabilities, 2 marks. When 2 or more persons jointly promise, they are jointly and severally liable. After the death of a promisor, liability passes to the legal representatives. All joint promisors must perform the promise unless agreed otherwise. Example, A, B, C jointly borrow money, creditor can sue anyone. White heavy check mark 4. Rights of joint promisors, 2 marks. When a promise is made to several persons jointly, all joint promisors have equal right to claim performance. After the death of one, the right passes to surviving promisors. Legal representatives also hold rights if all promisors die. Example, payment owed jointly to X and Y must be made to both. White heavy check mark 5. Time and place of performance, 2 marks. Performance must be done within the time and at the place specified in the contract. If no time is fixed, performance must be within a reasonable time. If no place is fixed, the promisor must ask the promisee to specify it. Example, goods delivery on 10th at Chennai must be honored. White heavy check mark 6. Reciprocal promises, 2 marks. Reciprocal promises are mutual promises made by parties to a contract. They may be simultaneous, conditional, or independent. Each party must fulfill their part as agreed. Example, A agrees to deliver goods, B agrees to pay, both are reciprocal. White heavy check mark 7. Assignment of contracts, 2 marks. Assignment means transferring rights or benefits under a contract to another person. Liabilities cannot be assigned without consent of the other party. Only personal skill-based contracts cannot be assigned. Example, a transfers right to receive money from B to C. White heavy check mark 8. Remedies for breach of contract, 2 marks. When a contract is breached, the aggrieved party can claim damages, specific performance, injunction, or rescission. Remedies aim to place the injured party in the position as if the contract was performed. Damages are the most common remedy. Example, compensation for non-delivery of goods. White heavy check mark 9. Termination and discharge of contract, 2 marks. A contract is discharged when obligations are completed or legally ended. Modes include performance, agreement, impossibility, lapse of time, breach, and operation of law. Once discharged, parties have no further duty. Example, contract ends when both parties perform fully. White heavy check mark 10. Quasi-contract, 2 marks. A quasi-contract is not a real contract, but law imposes obligations to prevent unjust enrichment. It arises without agreement but creates legal duties similar to a contract. Examples, payment for necessities, finder of goods, person receiving benefit by mistake. One meaning of performance of contract, 10 marks. Introduction. Performance of contract is one of the most important concepts under the Indian Contract Act, 1872. Once parties enter into a valid contract, they become legally bound to perform the promises they have made. When such obligations are completed according to the terms of the agreement, the contract is said to be performed. Performance leads to the discharge of the contract, meaning the relationship between the parties ends. Meaning of